Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to a really quick video on my Zara Perfume collection. I had somebody request this video a few months ago. I hadn't really built up my collection just yet, but now that I'm in a stage where I have over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 Zara perfumes. Yes, that's excessive. I thought I would do a quick collection video just to show you some of the ones that I love and also some of the ones that I don't love so much. So if you want to see which ones I have and you want to pick them up, hopefully they're still available, I'll have linked them down below, then please keep watching. So I'm going to take them by collection because I think that's the easiest way to do it. So these two are, I believe, in the same collection. They are both Eau de Parfums, 100 ml. So this one's called Oriental Delice and this one's called Oriental Gourmand. There's a whole line of them with this kind of really cool like stone-like lid on them. These are very dark in look as far as the glass that they've used on the bottle, and I think they're kind of going with more of the oud vibe. So Oriental Delice, it's very nighttime, but very sweet smelling nighttime, whereas Oriental Gourmand is a bit more fresh. So if you want more of a man smelling cologne-y one, ironically it's got the pink lid, you want Oriental Gourmand. And if you want more of a sweet feminine smelling night fragrance, you want Oriental Delice. So that's those two. I prefer Oriental Delice because I tend to like more of a sweet kind of scent, but this one is good if you're just like, you know, you want to be a bit more masculine that day. So then you've got the cities collection, and I would say that these are like the fashion capitals. So that is these two. You've got 92 Champs-Élysées Paris and 11 Corso Vittorio Emanuele Milano. So very light fragrances, the bottles are clear, however you can see that they've got like a cloudy sort of look on the inside, so it's almost supposed to be a bit of a, I think they give off like a glittery mist on you as well when you spray them. So I would say my favourite of the two is Paris, because obviously it's the sweetest smelling one. Very daytime, very light, very sweet. And then Milano is a lot more floral. Yes, a lot more floral, it's got a lot more spunk and a bit more zest to it. So yeah, I think Paris would be what I would wear if I was going to like a baby shower, and Milano would be what I would wear if I was going to like a girlfriend's birthday. Something in the daytime that involves a bit more spunk, do you know what I mean? So that's those two. And then also in that collection is Deep Vanilla. So I loved the Zara vanilla scent for ages, but then they came out with this one and I didn't like it so much. I think it just didn't work with my body chemistry. It's something that I would wear, but as a last resort. So this one was a bit of a letdown for me. I think it's because it's deep vanilla and I tend to like more of a light vanilla scent. It is an eau de toilette, which is different. I think these two are also eau de toilettes, but this one just didn't really hit the marker for me. So love the packaging though, so it's a nice one to have in your collection. Then also from the eau de toilette collection you have these two. So they are from the Accord range. So this is Accord number 2 and this is Accord number 1. This one is floral, this one is oriental. I've always loved, in fact the original Zara scent that got me into them was Zara Oriental. And that's this one, but they've kind of given it a different twist, I feel like. So I don't know if it's to do with the new packaging, but I hate this, not gonna lie. No, so it does not smell like the original Zara Oriental. So if you're looking for that, just get it in the original packaging. And then the floral one I hate less. So I'm just gonna say that these two I'd probably give away, in all honesty, but the bottles look nice on my dresser. The Accord range, really, it just doesn't do much for me. It's very cardboardy. The scents, it's like what you would spray in your hair or in a room if you've just cleaned up. No, I think they got it wrong with these two. But I like where they were headed with it. I think they were trying to do the whole Byredo vibe, and I don't know. Yeah, they just didn't work for me. Okay, so then we have these three. So this one is Red Vanilla, and this came in a pack with, or it comes in a pack with this one, which is Zara Fem. This is an eau de parfum, this is an eau de toilette. This one, Femme, is the one that people always think is very high end, because it's like sweet, it's very strong, it's like overpowering in a really sexy way. So always get the eau de parfum version of this, because there is an eau de toilette which comes in a clear bottle like this. I think you can get it in a smaller size, but this is definitely like a lighter version of that one. So this is like more daytime. This is just very, yeah, this is what I would wear now. And there's lots of it. So it's still really nice, but if you really want to pop, you want to go with the eau de parfum, because it's just to die for. I think this is the best scent that Zara has ever done, honestly. So Femme is the one. So then they kind of tried to redeem themselves a little bit with Sweet Vanilla. So this, I think it's like limited edition packaging. It kind of comes with this like leather sleeve. A little bit better, but almost too sharp. I don't know what they were trying to do with these variations of vanilla, but this one is a bit better, and the packaging is really cute. So I would wear this maybe on a Friday if I'm going into the office, and maybe I might be going out later, I'm not really sure, so you just kind of pack this anyway. But I just like that it's small. And this is an eau de parfum, so very strong. And then you finally have Zara Joyful Tuberose. Now this is one that grew on me actually. I was not a fan of it when I got it. I tend to just get all of them, or get the new ones that I see so I can try them out. And this one just didn't really hit a chord with me, but it's kind of become my favourite everyday scent. It's not a scent that I generally tend to go for, but it's very neutral, and I think it is very acceptable. It's very non-controversial. It's very much a day-to-day scent. So Joyful Tuberose, I like the packaging and the colour that they've gone for on the bottle. And it grew on me. It definitely grew on me. It holds a special place in my heart now. But I would ultimately say that Femme is my favourite one. As far as Red Vanilla goes, though, and I'm going to save this one till last, this is the vanilla scent that they hit the nail on the head with. Reason being, it is, as much as it is eau de toilette, they just got the notes so right on this. I'm getting hints of like apple and sweetness and just like fiery, spicy, just like, I feel like, you know, the red senorita emoji, I feel like she would smell like this. So if you want to smell like the red senorita emoji, this is the one you need. But yeah, that is my collection of Zara perfumes. As you know, I don't like to spend loads of money on perfumes because it's something that you just wash away. If I am going to spend money, it's going to be on things like Jo Malone or YSL, because those are like my favourite scents, or Giorgio Armani. Yeah, for my everyday wear, it's always going to be Zara. So hope you guys have enjoyed my collection video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!